What? Oh my god! What? Oh my god!
Alright people, today is going to be the most ultimate beach day of all time, potentially. We're fishing, we're spearfishing, we're boating, and we're surfing all in one. Hopefully we're gonna go catch some lunch for lunch. That's the game plan. Motor out to the kelp beds, do some dives, do some drops with the guns and slings, hopefully shoot something, and then we're also gonna have some people actually in the boat fishing, trying to catch something as well. And then if that goes to plan, we're gonna come back to these tables, cook up our catch, and then we might paddle out and catch a few. All right, one spear. The SS Macky has returned. I know you guys have missed them. Here's a gun. Hopefully I can shoot something with this thing today. The SS Macky has returned in full effect. Here's my stallion. We have not launched the SS Macky in about, say, 3 months or so, so we might be a little rusty. Conditions are looking iffy. There's the occasional three foot set wave coming through, so we gotta time it right. I'm just hoping this launch goes well. Okay, wait here.
Bro, that would be so gnarly.
Oh God. Lift it up, high. All right, after this set. After this wave we go, okay? Lift it up high. And then just start running out with it. Go. Gotta get it past this wave. Push it. No, no, no. I fucking hate this shit. I hate this shit. I hate this shit. Get a gun. Fins. Everything's in there. Everything. Get everything. Get everything. I hate this. Pull it up higher. Pull it up higher. A rod. Ah! We just lost everything. God damn it. Curse you, SS Macky! Curse you! Great, now the lifeguard's coming. The SS Macky went down once again. That's our worst one yet.
Yeah, I flipped. I was in the
Yeah.
and it flipped on me.
It did flip. Oh, this fishing day has hit us with a hiccup in the road. Is that the squid? No way. What? Yeah, we couldn't have timed that any more wrong.
Yeah, you can kick on your back.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Pull it down. On the back.
Go slow, Coop, slow. We made it. I'm out here with freaking fins on. We made it out. I'm pulling the boat. That was insane. All right, let's go pick the boys up. Let's go. Perfect summer day on the SS Macky. Freaking wiped out on the boat. Now we're gonna Cooper just fell with the cooler. And we're gonna go and try and fish for some fish and shoot some fish. Board shorts, 85 degrees. Fun surf. And we're fishing. Let's go. The SS Macky's onward. We're moving, we're moving. Ew! Ew!
You can drop it, you can drop it.
Oh! Squid's in the boat.
In my pocket.
Ew!
One more.
Ew! Ew! Oh. Dude, it's a decent sized calico. Slow, slow. Oh, that's a decent sized calico.
What? Oh my god! What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god! What? What have you even seen on that thing? The deadliest case!
I've never seen one of these. Fuck yes, I'm so hyped on that. Oh, that's a sand bass. Good shit, Coop. Oh, another calico down. Too small though. We'll let him go.
Can't you read? Cheers. Boy. Ringworm. Boy. Ringworm. Boy. Ringworm. Boy. 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 Fuck. Cheese. Ew. What are we doing today, Henry?
We're gonna make some fish tacos.
With some yuns.
Dude, that's like a good amount of fucking meat, dude.
Chunker.
Leo goes first since he caught the fish.
You guys are. Wow. It's frozen.
Oh, tragic.
Yeah, this will just help all of it.
Oh.
Farm.
So good. It is? Mm-hmm. Fresh tasting.
The beans and cheese go.
The boys are eating. Was it good?
Very.
Damn, look at Carson's. Carson's is loaded. Wow. Fresh. Epic freaking day. Fishing, a little bit of surfing, and catch and cook. See you in the next one. Roger, out.
Everybody, I'm gonna see